Hey, it's Mike, and if you're looking for a dip buying opportunity in a stock, I definitely want you to take a look at SunPower Corporation. They trade under the NASDAQ SPWR, and SunPower basically makes the little crystalline cells for solar panels. Uh, Renewable energy, solar power is continuing to be big. What really happened to the stock that it did pop after the election, thinking that maybe it's going to benefit from the Green New Deal. It has kind of pulled back since then. However, I do think it's a great buying opportunity. Just take a look. I mean, the 1 month chart has gone from 1666 to 1873, but what's even more impressive is the 6 month chart, where it was essentially a penny stock 6 months ago, now trading at 1873. Yes, it can pull back just because it's risen very quickly, but I think the long-term prospects of SunPower is going to be incredible. Where just anything that's involved in renewable energy, any legitimate company that's well organized is going to do well in the future. And when you can get a pullback like this in a renewable like a SunPower, it's going to be a great opportunity for you. Now, it is up in after hours. That's a pretty good sign. I think we will see rotation into renewable energy companies, especially in the spring. The spring is usually the time when energy companies do really well. It used to be oil prices used to go up in the spring. Now you're seeing oil prices, like the last spring, oil prices crashed. But I do think that in the spring, you're definitely going to see renewable energy instead of conventional fossil fuel energy, renewable energy really peak in the spring. So you're going to be able to catch really low prices now in the winter while everyone's more preoccupied with tech stocks. So if you're willing to hold on for a while, a company like SunPower is going to be great, as well as other renewable energy stocks. I'm just going to check real quick here on the 50-day moving average, because right now it's trading at it's trading at 1873, and it's 50 days 1420. So basically, if you buy it at 1873 and it stays above that level, that's going to be a good sign. That gives you a lot of room to run. That gives it, I don't know, maybe about a 30% cushion between the 50-day and its current price. So if you buy it and it goes down to 16 or 15, I know that would stink and you'd feel horrible about it, but it would still be above the 50-day moving average, which is still a good sign for this stock. So, you know, you could buy it now. Maybe you want to wait for it to pull back more, but definitely keep SunPower on your radar, because I do think a year from now, 5 years from now, it could be definitely much higher. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like the video and go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, as well as options and options trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.